Hey, Princess. You want to try your yogurt?
I want to keep eating this.
Is that good?
Can I keep eating this? Can I keep eating this?
Yes, but you need to eat.
Do you like it? Oh, you can't have the spoon.
No.
Try another bite. Num num. You gonna try another bite?
How many packages of grapes did you buy?
2.
No,
That's great.
I don't think you're gonna be the next Yo Baby spokes model. Here, one more bite. Mommy paid $3 for this garbage. You better eat it.
How much?
$3.
Oh.
Daddy's gonna be eating Yo Baby for the rest of the week. Did you decide you like it? Is it good now?
That's a yummy cookie.
I'm not sure if she likes it or not.
No, you need on your own.
Bite it.
Okay. No?
Brown cookie?
Okay,
No,
you're
I'm not
opening.
gonna have one.
Is it good? You want more? Okay, I think she's had a change of heart. I think she likes it. You gotta say ah. Ah. Georgia. What's so funny?
Georgia looks like a monster.
She looks like a monster?
Mhm.
Georgia, your brother just called you a monster. How do you feel about that?
Huh?
What's she?
Right here.
That was the yogurt sneeze. Is that funny?
Touch a wall. Stand right there. Stand right there. You just don't touch him. Don't touch anything. I got a clean hand.
I'll
Clean
scream
it.
you.
Clean it. Everybody.
What you doing, writing? Washing your hands?
He's cleaning his hand.
What are you eating? A cookie?
Oh, stand up.
So what did you eat for dinner? Because I don't think you ate any of that pig in your blanket. But I see a lot of strawberry weeds. The carnage. Carnage of strawberries left behind.
Left behind.
Yeah, did you use your knife? Milk? Milk, please. Georgia, do you want to finish your yogurt? Here, try it again. You keep going back for more. Is it because it's cold? I think it's because it's icy cold. It's straight out of the fridge. Georgia.
Who were you just on the phone with?
My dad.
What do you
Alright, for all the glory, Georgia. Let's... Ah. Can you say ah? You can't eat it with the souvenir.
Oh, here, I'll get this like real.
Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Is that a cone?
Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.